All right, so we're going to use the formula of the area of a triangle. So remember, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So what I would suggest anytime you're given a word problem, just draw a picture of what's going on. So here's my triangle. I know that this is my base, and this is my height right there. So it says that the area is 64 square centimeters. Great. The base of the triangle is 1/2 of the height. So if I were to take this and label it, well, I'm just going to leave my height the same. But now what I want to do is I want to label my base as 1/2 of the height. So when I go ahead and plug this in, I would get the area, which is 64, 1/2. Well, my base is 1/2 of h, and then my height is just h. So when I go ahead and plug this in and simplify it, I'm going to get 1/4 times h squared. So that means I'm going to multiply this by 4 and this side by 4. So that's going to cancel out the 1/4. And 64 times 4 is 256. So when I take the square root of it, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get 16. So my height is 16, and then my base is half of the height, so it would have to be 8. Now, a lot of us would just leave this as is, but we have to be careful to use units. So I would have to say 16 centimeters is equal to my height, and then I would have to say 8 centimeters is equal to my base.